Hello, hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Miss Benyiwaa. If this is your first time chancing on this beautiful face, hi darling, you're welcome. Please do not leave without subscribing. Please don't leave without subscribing. If you're a returning subscriber, hi darling, what's good? What's going on? What's popping? Okay guys, so today's video is an unboxing video. So I have invested into my content creation. I have added a gadget to my collection or what I already have. So in today's video I am going to unbox this product and let you guys know how it looks like and then how it works and then how it's going to benefit me, okay, because I am also now coming to figure it out. So we'll figure it out together without wasting much time. Let's start unboxing. Yeah guys, so this is the new addition to my collections. This is RL900 LED portable camera light photographic light series, okay, and it says it's RGB lighting, it's concentrated, it's this one I don't understand. It's good for photography and then live streaming as well. And then when you look here, oh, okay, it's just giving you pictures of how what it says it is. So over here is the live streaming, over here is the RGB. So the RGB is the kind of light that can change, like it gives you warm, it gives you cool. Most of the times they have other colors like red, orange, but I don't think this one gives the variety. I think it just moves from warm to cool, and it gives you like a studio finish. That's what it's saying. And then real shoots as well. So I tried opening from this side already. I can't put it on me. If I put it on me, you guys won't see. So this is how it comes. So this is it guys, there's nothing in it. It's only the business card from where I got it. And this is how it comes. So it comes with the light itself. Honestly, when I saw the ad on Instagram, I actually got this from Instagram. When I saw it, I thought it was going to be bigger than this, okay, but it came and it was like this. So I guess this is how it is. So this is it. This is the light. Then you have this remote. Then you have the charger, and then you have this thing. I think this, it helps you to attach it to the tripod, okay. And then it has batteries for the remote. You can't actually control it like that without the remote, so you always need a remote. But the charger, the cord has this thing that you can press to on it, okay. So for, let me put the batteries in the remote, because without that you can't operate it. The remote is ready now. This is what it looks like. It is very cute and it's not heavy at all. So this is what it looks like. And then it came with this tripod, okay. I already have a lot of tripods, so I don't want to unbox this one, but I don't know. Anyway, let me just unbox it and show you guys the length and everything, because I already have some available. I just wanted to use those ones like whenever I need a light, because I don't use all my tripods at once. But I don't even think this one is so long. So this is how it comes. I hope my mic is on. It looks cute. I think it's not as long as my tripods, like the tripods I have here. I'm going to show you guys how long it is, okay. So the leg has been able to open, so I have placed it in front of me. Oh, okay, it's quite okay. It's not bad at all. It's quite okay, very okay. It's pretty long. I think it's 5 feet. It's pretty long. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. It has this thing here. So this is where you can put or fix this one, okay. This one, because it can help you turn or rotate the light whichever way you want. So I'm going to fix this here. This is how it looks. It's not so big, it's not so small. It's small for me, but it's fine. I think if you're a beginner and you are now starting content creation, I think this is okay for you. So I'm going to try to on it and then see how it looks in addition to the lightning that I already have. Okay, so this is what it's giving. As I said earlier, I thought it was going to give more light than this, but so this is the warm tone. I don't know if you guys can see the difference that is given on my face, and you can increase the warmness. I think this is the highest for the warmness. Okay, I think because I have my lights on, you're not really seeing the effect. So let me turn off both lights. I'm actually using two lights right now before this one, so let me turn off both lights so that you guys can see the effect that is given, and then afterwards I'll show you what it gives in addition to my two lights. Okay, yeah guys, so this is what it's given, and the remote is written in Chinese and I don't get it. Okay, I don't understand, so I just have to try it out myself. Oh, okay, I just found something new. Okay, so I found a place that I can dim the lights, and then a place that I can, oh, okay, okay, I think I like this. It gives, actually guys, it gives cool and then warm colors. So the warm colors are what I showed you earlier. So this is like the cool one. This is the coolest it can get, and then you can actually reduce how cool you want it to be, and then you can increase how cool you want it to be. Yes, I think it's okay, but it's not so bright. I love bright lights. I love lights because as a content creator, lights are what like adds stuff to your content. Okay, so I either wanted to use this light as a backlight or as an underlight, like have a light under me when I'm creating beauty content. Okay, so that it would illuminate my looks from beneath. So I'm going to try this out. I think I'll have to use the thing because I want to be able to rotate it the way I want. Oh, and I haven't tried using this one for you guys to see. So this is the button that comes with the cord. So you off it and then you on it. Okay, I think the default light is the warm color. Wow, the warm color is actually cool. Anyways, let me show you guys how I want it to look. If I wanted to give me lights from beneath, this is how it looks like, but I'm definitely not going to use this warm light from beneath. Okay guys, so I'm going to on my two lights and then we see how it goes. This is it with my LED light. So the light I have here is quite bright, so if you don't take care it would overshadow this small light, but I still feel like I can see the warmness over here. Okay, I can see the warmness over here. So let me try and off it. When I off it, this is it. Okay, and then if I on it, this is what it's given. Do you guys see the difference? Because I have the lights on me, I'm not really seeing the difference, but I'm sure when I'm editing the video, when I go back to watch the videos, I'll get it. Okay, so I'm going to reduce the warmness and see how it looks. It's not bad, though the effect is not massive, but I think it's really cool. Do you guys see the difference? Do you think it's working? Let me know in the comment section below. Okay, this is it. This is one of the reasons why I bought it, for it to give me one extra light from beneath, and I think it's doing justice. Okay, and then another reason I got it is for it to be a backlight as well. I usually have a little color in my background, either blue and then a warm tone as well, so I'm going to use this as a warm tone. I have this one that I use to give, this one actually gives lots of colors. It gives red, blue, green, orange, like a lot of colors. So I use this in creating Instagram content or TikTok content, where I create an illusional colored background. Okay, different types of backgrounds. This is what I use for that. So when I'm creating YouTube videos, I can now use this and this, so I can get two colors in the background. So let's try that out. You know, this blue and warm combination that gives you like a cinematic feel. Yes, that is what I want to create. So I'm going to increase the other lights, the new lights. So I think that's the highest one. So do you guys see the effect that it's given? It's given like camera kind of look. It's given like, you know, it's given that cinematic look. Like there's light on me, my face is clear, and then there's something going on in my background as well. I think this is amazing. I love it. I love it as a backlight. Okay, I'm not so sure about giving the under, like giving me light from beneath, but I love it this way. So that is it, guys. That is my review. So what I would say is, if you're a beginner and then you are now starting content creation, even this one, I don't think it is bright enough to give you a color that you want. Okay, so I think if you're a beginner, you should start off, the one of the best and affordable lights that you can start with is a ring light. Okay, ring lights are affordable and then it helps. My first ring light, I got it some years back and I still have it. Like it hasn't moved, it hasn't done anything, it still gives. I only added on and then it's also working. This one I think would be like an addition, like how I bought it to add on. Actually, when I was buying it, I thought it was going to be brighter than this. Okay, so I can at least have like two LED lights here, and then the ring light can be my under light, or it can be right in front of me. But all the same, I have figured out how to use it that would still benefit me. But if your room light, or you're using sunlight, natural lightning, and you want just something small to add on, I think it's perfect. It's good. You can just buy that. It's giving like a soft box kind of lightning. Yeah, guys, so I just realized my microphone was off and it wasn't capturing the sound of at some point. Okay, so let me just confirm. But I think it was able to capture a lot of it. I think I was talking about it not being so harsh, like my LED lights that I'm using. This is like my key lights that I use. Then I used, sorry guys, and I use the light over here for reflection over here. If you want me to do another video showing you guys my filming setup or my lighting setup, let me know in the comment section below. I think if you get this light, you haven't thrown your money away at all. It will still serve its purpose. As you guys can see from the background, it's amazing and I love it. So this is the end of the unboxing and review video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and then subscribe. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.